Okay, welcome to a food review, I guess. So, let's start with just trying the rice by itself. Regular basmati rice seasoned with some salt, and I see some I think cumin seeds in there. So that's pretty good. Nice touch. So next I'm gonna try it with some chicken tikka masala. Nice. Here's the chicken. Chicken's quite good, not dry at all, compared to a lot of other Indian places. Actually, this chicken is probably one of the best I've had. Wow, it's very tender. There's some bounce to it. It's not like dry and flaky like some other chicken is. It's like juicy. It's been marinated with yogurt, I think. I taste a bit of tang. There's an assortment of spices on it. I scrape off the tikka masala, and a side of it is actually red. It's like pinkish red when I scrape off the tikka masala. So that color, like I already scraped the masala sauce off. It's like red. On the other side, it's just regular chicken color, which means it was probably marinated the same way they would marinate tandoori chicken. Pretty good. Everything's quite nice. So I'm gonna just do a quick. The rice, chicken tikka masala, aloo tikki chaat, which is like fried potato croquet in an assortment of like chickpeas, onion, curd, chutney. Quite good. I want to try this for a while now. And then the garlic naan. So, time to try the chickpeas. Very good, super flavorful. I taste all the spices in there. Cumin, coriander. The onion's very overpowering, but the curd is like pretty good. The chickpeas here is softer and mushier than a lot of other places though. I'm not sure how I feel about that yet. Let's try a croquet. So here's the croquet. Man, it's not too good. Just use my hands. Croquet, potato croquet. Nice. So the first thing I noticed, the red sauce on top, that's sweet. It's definitely like a chutney of some sort. It's kind of fruity. Can't really figure out what type of fruity it is, but the inside's delicious. It's like a fried ball, and the inside's like mashed potatoes almost. Covered in spices as well. Very fruity. It's tangy. Pretty sure it's a fruit-related chutney. Try to figure out what though. If I didn't know any better, I would have thought it was some kind of berry chutney. It's very berry-like. And the inside, potatoey. There's a lot of like empty space, but I think it's because it's to get that crunch. Very good. Quite nice. The chickpeas that it comes with is very good as well. Like the sauce, but I really don't feel like it adds anything to one another, but it's just a good thing to have, I guess. Just free stuff. You know, sometimes some food is like they pair with it and it's a good pairing. This is like it's not a good pairing. It doesn't add anything. It's just it's fine on its own. So it feels like two distinct, separate entities. Should probably try the naan. The naan looks great. A lot of garlic, a lot of cilantro or parsley. I don't know, one or the other. It's not as oily as naan from other places. It's quite dry, actually, dry to the touch. It's quite rare. Other places that do garlic naan, it's like super oily on the top. I think the drier, it might be better for soaking up sauces. I'll let you know. What am I doing? I gotta try the naan by itself first. I'm trolling, my bad. Piece of naan by itself. It's quite good. I've had fluffier naan at other places. This is more, there's more of a chew to this naan. Not at all a bad thing. If that's what you like, that's what you like. But definitely not as fluffy. Still quite good. Very good. It's very thin compared to naan in other places. Like 2 thin layers, as you can see. It's not as much of a fluff. I'm gonna go one more time. The garlic's very toasty. It's very toasty garlic. It's very aromatic. Slightly salted. Very good. I'm gonna try it again with the sauce. Yeah, it's a good compliment. Unlike the potato croquet and the chickpeas, which really didn't have too much to do with each other. This is quite good. Soaking up the sauce holds everything. It's the flavoring on the naan is light enough that like it's a good pairing with the sauce. You don't want 2 flavorful things paired together. Might be too overwhelming. I'm gonna try the tikka masala sauce by itself after I'm done with this bite of rice. Yeah, it's like regular tikka masala. Nothing super outstanding. The tomato base and the creamy texture, the oils, the spices. I can even see some spices here. Definitely cumin. Peppers. Bit of... I'm picking a hint of something herby, but I can't put my finger on it. Quite good. I'm not sure if I have no taste buds or I'm just a monkey brain, but tikka masala at a lot of places, they taste relatively similar to me. It's hard to tell the difference. It might just be my monkey brain. But yeah. Okay. I don't think I talked about the sauce with the chickpeas yet. It's kind of like a curry. Kind of like the weird word. It is a curry. It's like very flavorful curry. Spicier than the tikka masala, but it's like not that spicy. None of the stuff here is that spicy. I would say it's like underneath hot Cheetos in terms of spice level. Still quite good. There's curd on it. You can see here. Kind of difficult, but curd adds like a nice tang and creaminess. And the onions add the freshness, you know? There's a lot of food, actually. For like 20-something bucks. I'm gonna try another piece of chicken. Maybe the other one was a fluke. Double check, you know? Alright, bottoms up. No, it's not a fluke. Their chicken is just good. Their chicken is probably one of the best. Hands down. Very tender. It's rare to see, like, chicken fully cooked. And especially, like, boneless chicken. Boneless chicken's usually just drier and more rough compared to its counterparts near bone because it's just not as much fat content. Still very good, but definitely doesn't beat the chicken here. With the garlic naan, it's just fantastic. In terms of Indian places I've been to, that's probably top 5. There's a pretty good one in North Beach, so I forgot what it's called, but it's quite good. Yeah. Well, not much else left to say. I'm gonna finish the food. Bye-bye.